have a new Iraq of our own imagination. Racial and historical thesis about mankind. People in the academy, they are working and they need material. We have professors, university professors, we have students, researchers. They need more and more literature to fill in their needs, to give them the material that they can study and write thesis. Thesis means hypothesis. Like, أنا بفترض إن هو بيعمل كده. Let me gather the particular information that can support my evidence, even if it is like fake information. But at least it does the job for me, right? So that was, in general, like, I don't want to go further because I really feel now exhausted. That was like a general introduction about the scope and aim of Orientalism. I'm sure that, inshallah, when you read the book, you will have more and more knowledge and thoughts about how Orientalism developed and how the author is trying to search different books, different works by people or scholars in the West. He's not basing his judgment according to his own understanding of what's going on, but he is substantiating his claims or his allegations with some evidences from the books of people who wrote on the West. So he will be dealing with books on history, books on politics, books on sociology, books on English literature, books on different subjects. But the aim of his treatment of these sources was to find where the Orient was represented and how it was represented, in some way in order to find the proof for his claim about the hidden motives and reasons for the emergence of the tradition of Orientalism. I just want to warn you that do not delve into the particular information that he gives about the names of the books, the names of the authors and so forth. These will be like secondary information to us. My main priority in reading the book would be looking at his analysis of the dynamics of Orientalism, how Orientalism shapes and molds the way the West looked at the East or Orient, which in mind you'll have to be familiar with the case of misrepresentation, how the other is represented in my culture. This is, in a nutshell, the aim of the book, in order to show the hegemony, the control and manipulation of the West of the Orient, and the collection of information or literature that would fill into the specific aims of their or the specific aspects of their plan in the West. So make sure that you just skim the particular information that you need and just skip those which do not pertain to the mainstream of your focus.